Little storyteller.
A box of colorful Lego bricks sat quietly on a sunny playroom floor. Suddenly, the box wiggled. Little clicking sounds came from inside. Brick by brick, a magnificent pirate ship began to build itself. A red and white striped sail popped up, and a sturdy brown hull took shape. It was a magical ship building itself. Nearby, on a shelf full of toys, a doll's head with bright blue eyes blinked in surprise. A shiny robot arm waved hello, and a little green dinosaur tail wiggled with excitement. One by one, the mismatched toys climbed onto the self-built Lego ship. The doll's head became the captain, her blue eyes sparkling with adventure. The robot arm helped steer, its metallic fingers gripping the Lego wheel. The dinosaur tail wagged happily at the back of the ship. The little Lego pirate ship sailed across the playroom floor, its mismatched crew having a wonderful time. They imagined sailing on a big blue ocean, discovering new and exciting places. Being different was what made their crew so special, and their adventures so much fun. They learned that even though they looked different, they could work together and have amazing adventures as a team.
Please subscribe. Thank you.